Sign up today for your frequent sniper. Buy 10. What is on us? Ammu-Nation. Coming soon. Armor-piercing bullets. After every sportsman's favorite, the anti-tank missile. You don't need to clean it here when he's already been in the store, leading the fight against communism. It's having a blowout. Ammu-Nation has a wide array of peacemakers. Come by it. Documentary. Welcome to Ammu-Nation. Don't forget the Ammu-Nation Freedom means the ability to defend yourself, whatever the cost. Welcome to the nation. You've made the smartest decision of your life. You've come to a gun shop. We hope you get free, manly, and patriotic. Don't forget to check out our selected landlines. They're the gift that keeps on year after year. Mother-in-law being a bitch. Frequent sniper card. Thanks for visiting Ammu-Nation. We don't need a background check. A lot of American currency, conflict diamonds, about every sportsman's favorite, the anti-tank missile. Dear, when he's already been minced. The store leading the fight against communism is having a blowout sale. Ammu-Nation. Come by Ammu-Nation. To win an documentary Red Dawn. Ammu-Nation. Don't forget the Ammu-Nation dangerous feature. With our vaporizing nuclear bomb. Ammu-Nation loves guns and about to get a other 44s. Ladies, tired of whiskey. The building site. Freedom means the ability to defend yourself, whatever the cost. Welcome to Ammu-Nation. You've made the smartest decision of your life. You've come to a gun shop. We hope you get everything you need to feel real. Landmines. They're the gift that keeps on giving year after year. Now check out our selection of flamethrowers. We've got a special on hand grenades. And if you're too fat and lazy, Coming soon, armor-piercing bullets. Ask our salesman. The anti-tank missile. You don't need to clean the deer when he's already been minced. The store leading the fight against communism is having a blowout sale. Ammu-Nation is a radio makers. Come by Ammu-Nation on November 1. Exercise your Second Amendment right. Get 10% off all armor-piercing bullets. We're the only gun store that you buy it. The anti-tank missile. We've got a flamethrowers. Credit? No problem. No money down. 90 days, same as shoot now, pay later. During the 2-minute waiting period, fire off a few rounds in the Ammu-Nation gun range. Bring faces of Tommy Dingoes. Buy Ammu-Nation and register to win an anti-aircraft gun actually used when we whooped Australia's ass. This weekend is the Ammu-Nation Film Festival with free screenings of the documentary Red Dawn. Ammu-Nation, protecting you. God, that sound like on that commercial. Feeling nervous? Welcome to Ammu-Nation. Don't forget the Ammu-Nation Endangered Species Barbecue each Saturday. Protect your home with vaporized intruders fitting to nuclear bombs. Ammu-Nation loves women too. For the female sports enthusiast or self-made practitioner with big breasts, two handguns and a t-shirt that says you're about to get a good look at my other 44s. Ladies, tired of whistling construction workers? Next time, whistle back with a high-velocity rifle that'll splatter his brains all over the building site. Freedom means the ability to defend yourself, whatever the cost. Welcome to Ammu-Nation. You've made the smartest decision of your life. You've come to a gun shop. We hope you get everything you need to feel real manly and patriotic. Don't forget to check out our selection of landmines. They're the gift that keeps on giving, year after year. Mother-in-law being a bitch? Ammu-Nation has the solution. Why not check out our selection of flamethrowers? We've got a special hand grenade. And if you're too fat and lazy to throw, check out our grenade launchers. Pop it in, pull the trigger, and boom! You put a hole in something. Today for your Ammu-Nation frequent sniper card. Buy 10 guns and your next one is on us. Thanks for visiting Ammu-Nation. At Ammu-Nation, you don't need a background check, a wad of American currency, conflict diamonds, or your daughter is enough. Coming soon, armor-piercing bullets. Ask our salesman about every sportsman's favorite, the anti-tank missile. You don't need to clean minced. The store leading the fight against communism is having a blowout sale. Ammu-Nation has a wide array of pieces. 10% off. Let you decide before you buy it. Need anti-tank missiles? We've got a problem. No money. Fire up the rest of the Ammu-Nation and registered to win an anti-aircraft gun actually used when we whooped Australia's ass. This weekend is the Ammu-Nation Film Festival with free screenings of the documentary Red Dawn. Sound like protect your home with our vaporized female sports enthusiast or get a good look at my other 44s. With a high-velocity rifle that'll splatter his brains all over the building site. Freedom means the ability to defend yourself, whatever the cost. You've come to a gun shop. We hope you get everything you need to feel real manly and don't forget to check out our it keeps on giving, year after year. Mother-in-law being a bitch? Check out our selection of flamethrowers. We've got a special on hand grenades. And if you're too fat and lazy to throw,
I ain't got all day.
Hi there. I just love you.
Yes, I love that. That's why I'm on medication.
Goodbye, gorgeous.
Goodbye, sir. You need help, buddy. Those are amazing shoes.
Get away from me, girl.
My therapist warned me about thugs like you.
Shitcock bastard head.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
I'm cracking up in here.
Hey, stop touching me there. A pleasure.
Ambition comes from the brain.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between 2 lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't, nigga. Who you think you are? I'm here for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
I love those shoes. I'll have you beaten for ignoring me.
Smell your mother.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
Well, it comes natural to me.
Later, big baby.
Well, have a good day, madam.
Hey, look out! I ain't got to it just yet. Stay up, fool. Don't start tripping. How's it hanging low? My dirt is catching up to me. I bet he can throw my ass around.
Get out of here.
I'm about to come out my face.
My wife will hate me in bed.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?